I'm popping pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Take it with me, call up on the Uzi and show up and then they shot that. My homies pull up on your block and make that thing go grata-ta-ta. Since my weekend back in black and started saying recipes to Bon Scott. People said that we blowin' smoke, she hits me light a fire like a North Sun.
All I have are negative thoughts.
ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਦੀ ਵੇਵ ਆ ਨਾ ਭਾਲਦੇ ਕੋਫੇ ਵਗਾਉਣਾ ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਲਿਰਿਕਸ ਹੈ ਚੰਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਠੱਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਲਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਹ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਦ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਹ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਦੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਦ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਓ ਬਾਵੇਂ ਦੀ ਜੀਨਾ ਲਾਈਫ ਹਸੀਨ
I got $500 in cash in case they don't take MX. She wanted to see me, so now I'm headed to the annex. Sorority house, she snuck me in. She tried to keep quiet, couldn't hold it in. I mean, the bed was too springy, the room was too dingy. You really can't blame me, I found her on Hinky. Life is a movie, but the only acting I do is acting on impulse. No stress pimples, young boy vibing. I would like to thank Tim Cook for taking out the headphone jack on the iPhones. Now we only plug it in my phone. I'm talking baby bash cyclone. Tall, dark, and handsome.
పుట్టిస్తాడు గడగడ బడికిస్తాడు విడి కన్ను పడితే కీడ ఊరు అల్లల్లాడే తడారి కోరి మధురు వేట కట్టిలా అరాచకానికే ఒడి కడతాడు